Hello everyone, welcome back to the world of biology. In the previous lecture, I introduced you the concept of excretion. So today we are going to start with the topic which is excretion in the plants. Okay, so dear students, like the animals, plants also they release the waste product, but they release the waste product very slowly and in the smaller amount as compared to the animals. So the waste product released by the plants are generally in three forms. So there are generally the three forms of waste products released by the plants. One is the solid form, as usual, one in the solid form, one in the liquid form, and the third one in the gaseous form. So how the plants, in which form the plants they release the waste product in the solid form. So solid form like the rafids and the rubber. I am using here the term rafids. So students, what are the rafids? Rafids क्या होती हैं? The plants generally they release their waste product in the form of their fruit, and that form is known as the rafids. Okay, for example is the yam plant. Yam plant, its common name is jamikand. Okay, so this is a waste product of the plant. When it is consumed by the human being, it hurt our throat, means it caused the throat problem. So in this way, this is the solid form of the waste produced by the plant, and for that we use the term rafid. And another one is the rubber. And next is the liquid form. Plants they release the waste in the form of liquid. Liquid means they secrete waste in form of oil. Oil means like the eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus common name जो सफेदा होता है, eucalyptus oil. Okay, in this way, in the form of oil, plants they secrete their waste in the liquid form, eucalyptus oil and the sandalwood oil. Okay, and the third one is the gaseous form. As like solid and liquid form, plants they also release their waste product in the form of gas. Okay, like the oxygen. And as we have studied that in case of photosynthesis, plants they use the carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis and release the oxygen as byproduct or the waste product. While during the night time, when plants do not perform the process of photosynthesis, then they also release CO2 during night as waste product, because during night time plants they utilize oxygen. So in this way, in the gaseous form, plants release their waste product. And sometime what happens that plants they release their waste product in the older leaves. Okay, so how they release their waste product? They release their waste product by shedding their older leaves. Means जो भी पुरानी leaves होती हैं उन leaves को shed off कर देते हैं and they release their waste product. And if we simply talk about the stem, then how the waste products are released by the stem? तो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट स्टेम में कैसे रिलीज होगा? एज इन द प्रीवियस क्लासेस ऑल्सो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, लाइक इफ दिस इज द स्टेम, then on the older portion of the stem there are present small pores which are called the lenticels. Then through the lenticels the plants they release their waste product by stem. Is that clear? So these are the three different forms in which the plants they release their waste product. Now student, if we talk about the chemicals that plants they synthesize the chemicals, but some of the chemicals they are used, or you can say they are useful for the plant, and those kinds of chemicals they are known as the primary metabolites. So let's start with the primary and secondary metabolites. So if we talk about the primary metabolites or the biochemicals, then biochemicals in plants they are basically of two types. One is the primary metabolites and the second one is the secondary metabolites. Primary metabolites include like the carbohydrates, the fats and the vitamins. So primary metabolites includes carbohydrates, vitamins, fats and proteins. Secondary metabolites, these are not essential for the plant growth. What is the main difference between primary metabolite and the secondary metabolite? That primary metabolite they are essential for the growth of the plant, while the secondary metabolites are the chemicals which are not essential for the growth of the plant, but they are required or they are useful for the human being. So secondary metabolites which are not essential for plant growth but are useful for human beings. Like if there are various kind of this waste which are released by the plants and they are useful for the human being, like these secondary metabolites they are used in formation of the medicine and the beverages. So now what kind of metabolites are produced by the plants? Like the tannins, second one is the resins, third one is the gums and the fourth is the latex. So tannins they are the secretion of the plant which are further used to form the leather. So they are used in leather formation. Resins जो होती हैं, resins they are released by the gymnosperms plant. Gymnosperms like the pine. ओके तो जिम्नोस्पर्म प्लांट्स जो होते हैं दे रिलीज देयर वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेजिन विच आर यूज्ड इन द varnishes means like the paints, adhesives and food glazing items. Okay, and the next one is the gums. Gums क्या होती हैं? Gums are released by the acacia plant. Acacia, this is the acacia plant as you can see here. So acacia plant, it release the waste product in the form of gums which is used in the cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceuticals means in the medicines. Okay, and the fourth one is the latex. Latex is also waste product released by the plant which is used to make the rubber. Okay, so in this way these are the another waste product secreted by the plants in the form of the tannins used to form the leather, resins used to form the varnishes, adhesive and food glazing items, gums used in the cosmetic and pharmaceuticals, and latex used to form the rubber. Okay, so let's take a recap once again. Today we have discussed about the excretion in the plant. Firstly, we have discussed that plants, they release their waste product in solid, liquid and gaseous form, and after then we have discussed that some of the plants, they release their waste product in the form of secondary metabolites, and these are the names of secondary metabolites like the tannins, resins, gums and latex. Hope you have learnt about the concept of excretion in the plants. With this, thank you so much.